Hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can create a 60 seconds clip to your video using AI like this.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit.
Alright, so without any further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, to start it, go to gravitywrite.com and you are going to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account and that is free. Okay, so now once you log into your account, here on the Gravity right, go here on your left and scroll down. Click this filmmaking tools and we're going to create a script to your film, to your video. So think about it, whatever script do you want, what kind of video or movie that you want to make, create a script. So AI film script writer, we're going to click this one and then we're going to create a script. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, here are some an instruction. Just click this one so you can just follow how to do it. Okay, so now once you click that one, what is the gender of the film? So here are some example, like I'm gonna say action, and then what is the film style. So if you want a 3D animation, 2D animation, so I just write 3D here, and the duration of the film, so it's all up to you, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. So let's say like 30 seconds, okay, or 60 seconds. It's all up to you guys. And then add one line of the story. So if you have a specific concept or theme, or already decided what kind of video that you want to make or film movie that you want to make, you can just write it down here. Okay, for example, I'm going to make a movie, action movie, like Marines fight with the terrorist, and create a content. Click this one, and now the script. The script is popping here on your right. So here are the script of your film video. So now after we finish this one, we're going to copy the script. Okay, go and copy the script from here, copy all of that, and then we're going back here and we're going to make an image for the script. You already have the script, but you don't have an image yet, right? So we're going to create an image based on the script that you written down here. So I'm going to click AI image generation, and from here you're going to type again what kind of film it is. So I'm gonna take an action. I'm gonna type action. It's an action movie, and then it's a 3D, and then enter the video script that we made here. So I'm gonna copy and paste. Remember, I copy it and I'm going to paste here. So after you paste the script that you made, that you create in Gravity Write, create a content. Okay, so after you copy your script, after you finish creating a script for your video, guys, you go to runway.com. There you go. You go to this, go to runway.com, and there you go. So if you don't have an account yet, you can sign it up for free. So you click the try runway for free. And then here you go. So after that, you're going to start creating with text. Okay, click start with text. So from here, guys, you're going to copy the script that you made into Gravity site. Okay, so let's copy the script, all of these one by one, and then all you're gonna do is to paste into okay, from here. Okay, do not include this one, then copy this one and go back to runway, and then paste the script, the first script of your video here. Paste it here. Okay, and then you're going to generate the clip for your script. And then keep doing all of that to your script here. Just copy and paste all of this into your runways. And then after that, what you're gonna do is to download. Here you see this one. Download all the images that it made and save it to your computer. And once you download this, we're going to CapCut to edit the video. Okay, so now we are here in CapCut. Okay, so we download all the videos, all the clips that we've made there in Gravity, right? What we're gonna do here in when we get into CapCut is to click import and go to your file where you save your clips. Alright, so these are only the images, but we need to create an AI again for voiceover. Okay, so we're going back to AI image generation where we write it our prompts, and all we're gonna do is just to copy all of this, and then we're gonna bring this to CapCut, and then we're going to click the text, and then here, okay, I'm gonna stretch this one all over here through the end, and then we're going to paste the script that we made into Gravity CapCut. Okay, you can read this one, guys, and delete some other things that it is not, not supposed to include in this, like default should be. And then we're going to create a text to speech here on your top right. Click the text to speech. And then now here, there's so many speakers here, then you choose the speakers you want, okay? So in my video, I choose the American male. Where is he? American male. There you go, American male. Copy and paste all the script and then put it down here. Okay, so after you download all of the images that you created, you download here and then you copy and paste all the script that you create in the Gravity, right? You choose the speaker that you want, the AI text-to-speech. There you go at the bottom. And then you can also put an audio for intro if you want to. So this is a 60 seconds, not even 60 seconds, 57. So this is a 60 seconds film clip for this action movie that I made. So let's watch the movie.
'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit.
Defainside the briefing room, Captain Reynolds stands in front of a screen displaying a map dotted with red markers. The camera captures a medium shot of the captain, his face reflecting a mix of determination and seriousness as he addresses the Marines. In the midst of a fierce firefight at the terrorist camp, Soldier 1 fires his weapon, displaying a mix of determination and adrenaline-fueled intensity. Inside the dimly lit control room, filled with computer screens displaying surveillance footage, Soldier 1's eyes widen as he realizes the gravity of the situation. The Marines, victorious but weary, trek back toward their base. Captain Reynolds looks back at his team, his face reflecting a mix of pride and gratitude, appreciating their efforts. This shot signifies the end of their mission and the camaraderie among the soldiers.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you want to try other film, you can just go there and whatever film or videos or movies that you want to make, go to Gravity, right, and type the prompt that you want for your movies, and it will give you the script and images, and then go to Runway and create an image. And after that, after you download all the images that you created in Runway, then go back to CapCut and edit it. And you can add some music, you can add audio, you can add some text if you want to inside of CapCut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.